Luxury and nature. Create a stunning tropical courtyard with modern, rustic design elements. Introduction. Creating a luxurious tropical courtyard. Combines the beauty of nature with modern rustic design elements, providing a serene escape right in your home. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps and considerations for transforming an ordinary outdoor space into a stunning courtyard that reflects both sophistication and a deep connection to nature. Whether you're looking to host gatherings, enjoy peaceful moments, or simply enhance your home's aesthetic, this guide will inspire you to envision a space where luxury meets the tranquility of nature. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment as we embark on this journey to create your dream courtyard. Understanding the essence of tropical design. Tropical design is characterized by its vibrant colors, natural materials, and an overall sense of openness. The essence of a tropical courtyard lies in its ability to invite the outdoors in while maintaining a stylish environment. Begin by researching various tropical design elements, such as lush greenery, water features, and organic materials. This knowledge will be foundational as you curate your space. Embrace plants native to tropical climates, such as palm trees, ferns, and colorful flowers. These choices not only Choosing the right layout. The layout of your courtyard is critical in establishing its ambience. Start by considering how you plan to use the space. Do you envision it as a relaxation zone, an entertaining area, or a combination of both? Create distinct zones within the courtyard to accommodate different activities. Use pathways to guide movement and designate areas for seating, dining, or even lounging by a pool. Make sure to allow for open spaces that encourage air circulation and create a sense of freedom. The layout should promote interaction with nature, Incorporating rustic design elements. To achieve a modern rustic look in your tropical courtyard, blend natural materials with contemporary design. Consider using reclaimed wood for decking, seating, or decorative elements. The warmth of wood contrasts beautifully with the vibrant greens of tropical plants, creating a balanced aesthetic. Stone pathways can further enhance this rustic feel, leading guests through the courtyard while adding texture and depth. Think about incorporating artisanal elements, like handmade pottery or woven textiles, to introduce personal touches that reflect your style and story. Creating a focal point. A focal point is essential in any courtyard design, drawing the eye and creating a sense of intrigue. This could be a stunning water feature, such as a fountain or a small pond, which not only serves as a visual centerpiece but also adds soothing sounds to your environment. Alternatively, consider a sculptural element, such as a piece of outdoor art or a beautifully designed seating area. The focal point should resonate with the overall theme of the courtyard, blending harmoniously with the surrounding elements while providing a sense of purpose to the space. Lighting for ambience and safety. Lighting plays a crucial role in the ambience of your courtyard, transforming it from day to night. Incorporate layered lighting solutions to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Use soft, ambient lighting such as lanterns, string lights, or recessed lighting to enhance pathways and seating areas. Highlight specific features, like your water feature or artwork, with accent lighting for added drama. Don't overlook functional aspects. Ensure that walkways and stairs are well lit for safety. The right lighting not only beautifies your courtyard but also extends its usability. Integrating outdoor furniture. The selection of outdoor furniture is pivotal in establishing comfort and style in your tropical courtyard. Look for pieces that complement the rustic elements while remaining functional and weather-resistant. Choose materials such as teak, aluminum, or synthetic wicker that can withstand the elements. Arrange seating in a way that encourages conversation and interaction, using cushions and throws to add comfort and color. Consider incorporating a dining area for alfresco meals or lounge chairs for relaxation. The right furniture can elevate the courtyard from a simple outdoor space to an inviting retreat. Incorporating water features. Water features are a hallmark of tropical design, adding tranquility and visual interest. Whether you opt for a small fountain, a koi pond, or a cascading waterfall, the sound of flowing water can enhance the serene atmosphere of your courtyard. Water features also attract wildlife, such as birds and butterflies, further connecting you with nature. Consider the placement of your water feature carefully, ensuring it's visible from key vantage points in your courtyard. This addition not only serves as a beautiful focal point, adding greenery and landscaping. Landscaping is crucial in achieving the lush, tropical feel of your courtyard. Incorporate a variety of plants at different heights to create layers and depth. Use larger trees for shade and smaller plants for color and texture. Consider vertical gardening options, such as living walls or trellises, to maximize space and add greenery without taking up ground space. Mulch and decorative stones can enhance the landscape while retaining moisture and suppressing weeds. The goal is to create a flourishing garden that feels like an extension of the tropical. Personal touches and decor. Finally, personal touches and decor will bring your tropical courtyard to life. Incorporate decorative elements that reflect your style, such as artwork, sculptures, or unique planters. These pieces should harmonize with the overall design while adding a personal narrative to the space. Consider using textiles such as outdoor rugs, pillows, or curtains to introduce color and comfort. These details transform your courtyard into a welcoming retreat that resonates with your personality and lifestyle, making it a true extension of your home. Conclusion: your tropical retreat awaits. In conclusion, creating a stunning tropical courtyard involves thoughtful design and a harmonious blend of modern rustic elements with nature. By focusing on layout, incorporating water features, and selecting the right materials and furniture, you can craft an elegant outdoor space that invites relaxation and connection with nature. Remember to add your personal touches to ensure the courtyard reflects your style. We hope you feel inspired to transform your outdoor area into a luxurious tropical retreat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video to share your thoughts and experiences in creating your own outdoor haven.